In a cozy kitchen, a compact toaster oven becomes a tiny studio for turning scraps into surprisingly tasty bites. First, carrot tops and stale bread transform into crisp herb crostini with olive oil and garlic and a bright smear. Next, peppers, onions, and eggs mingle into mini frittatas baked on a tray until golden and fluffy. Finally, apple cores and cinnamon dust become rich, sweet chips toasted to a crisp and caramelized. When the oven sighs, cool, the scene shifts to composting leftovers nourished by kitchen scraps to feed tomorrow's harvest.